10 and 8 of RIT Alumni Advisory Hub. We really want to use this time at its fullest, so without any further delay, I'm proceeding further. So in today's agenda, we have a special session of overview of RIT Mechatronics department. Before that, we will do few opening remarks and share our spotlight. We have head of the Mechatronics department, Mr. Shailesh Shirguppikar here, as well as students who are going to share their experiences. I'm not going to take so much time on the agenda and vision of RIT Alumni Advisory Hub. We all are from RIT here, and everyone knows by now that RAAH works for strengthening of alumni to institution, alumni to students, and alumni to alumni. And today's session will be highlighting our relations with institution as well as students of Mechatronics department. Before that, I'm really glad to share this RAAH spotlight of the week. The MOU was signed between ITI Islampur, which is a branch of RIT Engineering, and between Taikesh Engineering India Limited. I'm not sure if Mr. Sachin Shirsagar is here, but he is very esteemed alumni of RIT community, and currently head Taikesh Engineering as a general manager, as well as a director of RIT Alumni Advisory of Mr. Ramesh Zadav was present on this occasion. Mr. Sachin Shirsagar has been helping students in his personal capacity, but as well as a general manager of Taikesh Engineering. Last year, Taikesh hired more than 70 welders for the company, and this year they are planning to hire more 40 welders. And between this MOU, they donated TIG and MIG welding machines, which are really advanced machines in this technology, and it will help students for a practical experience. So I'm very thankful to Mr. Sachin Sirsagar on behalf of RAAH, RIT alumni community, as well as RIT students community. Thank you very much, sir. Next, we are heading to today's session. It is based on overview of Mechatronics department. I'm really glad to mention that RIT is evolving very well and accepting new challenges based on ever-changing industries, and trying to cope up with new job markets as well. So I'm very glad to welcome Dr. Dr. Shailesh Shirguppikar. He is head of Mechatronics department. I also want to mention that he's also head of Office of International Relations and Education. And I really want to mention that as a head of global education community, when I was in the institute, he has been helping students a lot in his personal capacity, as well as to help MS students. I still get few connection requests from students and saying that Shirguppikar sir has sent us, and I'm really glad to help them. So he is very beloved professor. And over to you, sir. I'm really happy to welcome you for this session.
Thank you, Manali, for monitoring this session and this appreciation. So, can I share screen from my end?
Yes, sir. Please.
Manali, is it visible? Full screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So very good evening to all, and welcome for this session on overview of the Mechatronics department and its future plan. As rightly said by you, we have we are having a great alumni connect, and of course we required this for the development of the department. So personally, I request the task force to provide me a slot so that I can just give some brief about the department, so that we can see finalize the direction for upcoming future. So very good evening all for joining this session. In alumni meet, very rightly said by Honorable Director Sir, that RIT has introduced the new department, cutting edge department like mechatronics and robotics, automation, and AIML. So out of that, I'm representing Mechatronics Engineering department, which is established in 2020, and I'm glad to share that this year the first batch is pass out, and we received the great response from the industry. So within very few minutes, I would like to give some information about this department. So this is the overview of today's presentation. I will just take 15 to 20 minutes for sharing the information about the department. After that, I will ask Rushikesh and Shifa to tell about their experiences here. After that, we'd like to have a brief introduction about the consultancy services what our department is providing. After that, I request Sachin Khoth sir, where he will tell us about the various expectations from RAAH, and then we'll have a brief from M. Mullah sir about his project. So the first slide shows the strength of the department. As we know that we are having very good teachers from the institute, and from the department we have 13 faculties, and of course we are having faculties from different domain. Few of them from mechanical background, few of them from automation background, few faculties are from electronics background. And as a transdisciplinary department, multidisciplinary department, of course we required such a group of faculty, which will help for the overall development of the students, holistic development of the students, in terms of handling of various upcoming cutting edge courses, as well as for guiding the students in their projects and mini projects. So here the slide shows we are having 13 faculties from different departments. Also in coming slides I will tell you about the different research areas of the faculties. So out of 13, 6 faculties have completed their PhDs from very renowned and esteemed organizations and universities, and 5 faculty members are pursuing PhD, and 2 faculty members, of course, they are appearing for entrance exam for PhD in this coming year. So as I'm told you that, like around say 50% of the faculties have completed the PhD members PhD degree, and of course it is helping for the research content that I will present in coming slides. So as a as a multidisciplinary department, the institute has provided, and of course the management has given very good support during the lab development. As being a new department, but still we are having excellent labs. I'm proud to share that this is the lab where that the institute has established in Western Maharashtra. This is the first institute where we are having the industrial robotics lab, industrial automation lab, which are basically we have developed in collaboration with the different MNCs, where I would like to mention here industrial robotics lab that we have developed, which is in a connect of Fanuc Private Limited. Then we have industrial automation lab. Again, this lab is also developed with the help of, in collaboration of CKD. Both are the well-known Japanese brands, and of course they are helping us to develop this particular lab. Along with this, we have computer labs. Specifically, I can say that this is a workstation lab having excellent specifications of i7, 16 GB RAM and latest processor and so on. After that, we are also having digital and analog lab, sensory instrumentation lab, power electronics lab, and software labs. In software lab, again, we are having the classification like PCB simulation labs. We are having the softwares of like witness, 2D, 3D development. So basically, we are trying to combine the expertise from mechanical background, expertise from electronics background, and we are teaching them different softwares as per the industry need. So here I urge all our alumni members to do visit our institute, and just please go through the labs that we have developed, and give some guidelines for future development. I will take this opportunity to also to give some development. IFM is again a German industry, and of course Mullah sir will tell you. So they are ready to provide some sensor kit for the department. Uh, Almost the communication has been done, and very soon those equipments are also become a part of our labs. So as a center of excellence, we are having two center of excellence here. One is with the robotics along with Fanuc, and another is automation with CKD. For robotics, we are having 6-axis articulate robot and 7-axis material handling and welding robots, along with the RoboGuide software. Uh, of course, we are having the simulation softwares from ABB as well. Similarly, from CKD, we are having basically hydraulics, pneumatics, smart manufacturing, and all equipments are IIoT enabled. So we can able to operate all these equipments within the campus, and of course with the help of your mobile phone also. So this is the, we are bringing the change in the syllabus as well, because the industry is seeking such kind of expertise in the students, and we are trying to put it in the syllabus. So this slide gives some basic idea about the laboratories that we are having, like 6-axis articulate robot, 7-axis material handling system robots, home automation setup, and smart manufacturing. So basically, this will give a holistic approach for the students, and we are also having a good experience of this, because once such kind of labs been provided to the students, and actually students are enjoying that when they are handling the robots, they are handling the smart manufacturing systems, they are become a part of home automation, and they're using it. Of course the skill is being developed, and it is used for the placement or higher education. So this slide shows basically a development of smart manufacturing, IIoT based hydraulics pneumatic systems. So as a part of strength of faculty, as I told you, but here I would like to mention the research areas of the faculty members. As mechatronics is a a combination of mechanical, electronics, electrical, and computer science. Similarly, we are hiring the faculties on that basis, and the faculties having a particular research areas like micro machining and tribology, product design, wireless communication system, electric and hybrid vehicle, DCS systems, vibration condition monitoring, microprocessor controller, embedded systems, VLSI systems, and automation and robotics. So basically, these are the research areas of the faculties. And with the help of this, in last 3 years, the department has published more than like 42 papers in Scopus and SCA journals. We also filed 10 patents, and one patent is granted. And of course, that patent is now we are trying to commercialize that, where of course Sachin Kotsar will give some put some lights on it. So this is the patent we called as locking tongue, and Professor Sachin Khoth is inventor of that. So basically now we are trying to commercialize this product in the market. Similarly, here I would like to mention the achievement of, we received 20 lakhs of funding for automatic weld grinding robot for piping application, and the funding is received by RGST, that is Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Government of India. And this project is basically we are working with Corocode company, which is sister company of Kirloskar. So from them we received a project, and then Mullah sir is taking working on it. So coming to the holistic development, uh, we are having a go-kart competition. Of course, everyone knows about it, and we are having students from mechanical background, students from electrical background, students from mechanical background, and of course they are all India rank 1 consecutive for from last 9 years. So this is also, we can say, this is the achievement of our students. So the photograph that you can see, this is a group of the students from various departments, and of course there is a contribution from our side as well. Similarly, there are significantly contribution in the space club, as the task force is knowing about the development of the space club in the at RIT. Of course, the students from mechatronics background, mechatronics department are taking lead in that for the development. And this is the photograph that we can see. The students have represented RIT in Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore, for any of the workshop, and they have presented their work there. Similarly, the department is also having one club, that is robotics club, and under this club, students have developed their robot, and they have participated in World Robotics Championship at New Delhi. Again, I would like to share the highlights of ICAM 2024, where this is a state national level technical symposium, where student has hosted like more than 500 students from nearby institute at our college, and they have floated like 8 events for that. And we have invited expert from Pari also for the inauguration, that you can see along with Honorable Director, sir.
Sir, if may I interrupt you, we have questions from Dr. Kumbar sir and
Yes.
someone from Siddhi Distributions.
Sorry?
Siddhi Distributions, do you have a question? I saw the hand raised.
Is anything, please?
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
can.
Ma'am, there is no question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kumbar sir, do you have a question? I think
Manoj, let us have the question answer at the last.
okay.
Okay. So about the industrial connect, at department we are having a training placement coordinator, and Sridhar Deshmukh is taking care of that responsibility. Along with that, Sachin Koch sir and Mullah sir helping him to connect the different industries, and also the faculty members from mechanical department, faculty members from robotics automation, and of course the senior faculty members. They're helping us to identify different MNCs, connect them, because we have a great alumni connect. As an, of course, a new department, we required such kind of help from you. So definitely we connected various MNCs here like Elcom, Market, Baumler, and Schindler, where we have visited and we have successfully placed students in these particular companies. Similarly, we have a good, I would not say good, but one of the best recruitment drive we had at Vipropari, where we have placed like more than 24 students. Then we have a good connect with the Indovans Pune also. We are also connected with the various sugar factories, where we'll discuss later. And one more photograph that we can see, we are hosting at the foreign delegate along with Honorable Dada here. So during the development of labs, we have visited many industries in Pune, Bangalore, of course, Noida. And out of that, we have mentioned here like Intellitech Bangalore. Then we have also visited the facilities of CMTI Bangalore. We also visited the Innovist Automation. And of course, as we said, Sachin Shirsagar sir was there in last week, and we met him. And of course, in previous year, he provided the opportunity for internship at Stakesia. So our faculty members, along with the students, they have visited it. So about the consultancy work, basically we are providing the consultancy of two types. One is the service industry, and second is the development of product. So in service industries, we are providing few tests to the sugar factories, and in last 2 years, we have generated near about 23 lakhs of revenue for the institute. and through various testings. So Dr. Ganachari will tell you about that. I also would like to mention some development of Sridhar Deshmukh sir. Basically, he works on development of products, basically for uh, basically for medical industries uh, from Krishna, and he also provide some consultancy to the fish farming. So these are the highlights of it. And here I would like to highlight about the three track systems. Basically, for final year students, we are having three track system where student they may choose a industry track, that is internship. Otherwise, they can go for undergraduate research experience, and or they can go for entrepreneurship development. In last year, 46 students from our department, they have chosen they have chose the industry internship. 8 students, they have gone for the undergraduate research program, and two students chose the entrepreneurship development. So this slide gives the internship where the student have completed the internship at ISRO, ARAI, IIT Bombay, and these are the research internships where the students have completed. And rest of the students, they have completed their internship at tier one industries like Atlas Copco, Taikeshia, Intelitech, PFPL, uh, uh, then Bombler, Elcom, and so on. And would like to highlight that as I had earlier told you, the first batch is pass out, and we received the 100% placement of the students in following industries like Wipropari, PAPL, ISIS, Roema India, Adida Applause, Baumler, Johnson Control, Market, Kiospider, Sani India, and Schindler. So, of course, this has been possible because of the help from all our senior faculty members, department faculty members, and Alumni Connect. So this is the first batch of say 56 students that I would like to mention purposefully. I mean, this topic is very close to our heart, so that we have prepared this slide. The student, the opportunity for his internship and opportunity for his job. So these are the 56 students who pass out from our department, and of course they are placed in good industries, and of course we are proud of them. So thank you for giving me opportunity to to give brief about our department. Thank you. Now I would like to request two students from our department to brief about their journey. Rushikesh.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Just a
you're
second.
audible, Rushikesh. Yes.
Hello, everyone. I am Rushikesh Ubale, recently graduated from Mechatronics department, and currently I'm associated with Q Krishi Quantum Private Limited as a research software developer, as a quantum research software developer. So basically, my job, what I'm doing there is creating a quantum solutions to different problems. Throughout my journey, undergraduate journey, in the mechatronics department, we have learned different subjects like electronics, mechanical, electrical, computer science, and that is what today we need in the market, like interdisciplinary approach to solve the problem. Likewise, in my final year, I have done as a junior research intern at Q Krishi, and I was a URE student. Simultaneously, I was a URE student at RIT, and I have done my research topic as galaxy classification using ML and AI techniques. So my research interest involves with computational techniques for and methods for advanced physics problems. I have recently also shortlisted for Deakin University PhD program. It is a direct PhD program after BTech. So in that program, the project is telling about that space debris. There is junk of the space satellite, and there are we launched the satellite, so there is daily communication between satellites, right? So there are different collisions due to micrometeorial orbitals, like small orbits, and there is what we can say due to the junk satellites, that is, that is like what we can say garbage satellites, in other words. So the project is about assessment of that impacts and simulating those impacts and making like deriving a trajectory to avoid the collision, and enhancing the manufacturing and the build quality and the design of the satellites to what we can say deprive of failure with those impact. So the PhD of this PhD project involves this, and in the quantum computing sector right now, which I'm associated with. So at that there we are doing a different type of solution, like for example, for portfolio optimization with the help of quantum computing. So I will just tell about small about quantum computing. Everyone might have heard about AI/ML, like what is machine learning. We talk about we have a data set, we do some use some algorithm, it has some learning rate, it learns from the past data. But quantum computing is completely different from that. So what it does is, with the help of physics principles like superposition, two bits at simulating at the same time, and other quantum physics phenomena, with the help of that we are doing computing. So it is very fast, the iterations are very reduced, and it is the new era. Recently India also has launched quantum Indian national quantum mission, with the head that India has invested 6,036 crore rupees in that for till the year of 2027, and that budget is going to be renewed. So right now I'm waiting for my interview for that PhD position, which is for 2025, which is will be in the next month, at the end of the August, and hopefully the result will be around in the first or second week of September. So in the department, it was great. There are facilities, different labs to learn and get experimental knowledge. There was different clubs. Like I was a project manager for Space Club. I was head for Space Club, and we have launched few rockets over there. So RIT is giving the tremendous, facilities, and that would be great if people would invest in that, so that upcoming generation would get much can benefit from of these facilities. Uh, Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Rushikesh. I would like to call Shifa now. Shifa?
Yes, sir. I am audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shifa Desai. I am currently passed out for mechatronics engineering background. Today, I am heading to sharing about my experience and journey with you all. First of I do feel so privileged to part of such an amazing, prestigious institute. Talking about my RIT is a very transformative journey for me. In a mechatronics department is in the mechatronics department. Student development and grow as help to my shape of my career path. For academic curriculum, the hands-on experience department providing excellent environment for learning and activities.
Shifa, you're not audible now.
Many now, sir, I am audible.
Yeah, you're audible. Please continue.
For academic curriculum, it has been very development for providing excellence environment like learning of different activities, workshop, industrial oriented workshop, guest lectures, and internships. Now I am internships like one I am pursuing right now, Indian Space Research Organization in Space Application Center Ahmedabad. In these organizations, I have done with my internship in AES department. In this department, I have worked on satellite communication department. In this department, I have done with project of drone detection with image fusion and camera signal. In this project, I have done with hardware and software. It is a very amazing journey of my internships. Also, they have also they have helpful for the different types of clubs activities and workshops. They are very helpful for my internship journey. uh, I like to in this department I like to sharing about student of different types of tracks like industrial job, entrepreneurship, development, and higher studies. More about that, faculty member are also supportive for in these tracks and internships. I hope to motivate students to excel that field as well as encourage a full potential. Also, the department help in reflect on motivates you to gain knowledge in this area and how programs will help you reach your career goals. Also, the department faculty are creative, conductive learning environment, supportive and autonomy, positive encouragement, maintaining positive attitude. Also, the developing self-awareness program. It is a very helpful for me. Now, National Titsung Hua University for master's program. In this master's program are very helpful for me in the department of mechatronics. I am applying for spring semester for the nano engineering department. I would very thankful for mechatronics department as well as teaching and non-teaching staff. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Shifa. So actually, we are glad to share that Shifa received the acceptance from NTHU Taiwan, and this master program is a fully funded program for nano engineering. And of course, the efforts she put in last 3 years. So this is the, we can say, fruit for her. Similarly, the Rushikesh is also, he's getting his integrated PhD program at Daikin University, Australia, in August. So moving further, I would like to give some overview about the consultancy. So now I request Dr. Ganachari sir to take a charge. So please.
Good evening, all. Am I audible?
Good evening, sir. Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. In last 2 years, we have started the consultancy work through mechatronics department. Industrial consultancy overview, my certification expertise, as well as existing customers, and I have some appeal to alumni. Now, we are providing the following industrial consultancies in boiler inspection, in diaprinted testing, as well as in ultrasonic testing of shaft and gears. These are my certifications in ultrasonic testing. In 2019, I have completed my NDT level 2. In 2022, I have completed my DP level 2. And these are the customers. We are providing the consultancy work for nearby sugar industries, because the consultancy work, or we can say the its maintenance work, started in May and June. In these 2 months, we get the space as well as we get the free from academic work. So these 2 months we utilize for consultancy work. These are the few existing customers. Rajarbapu sugar factories we have, as well as from Pandharpur, Vasantrao Kai Sahkari Sakar Karkhana. There are 5 to 4 units of these units we have, as well as from Agro MIDC, Islampur, Sangola Sahkari Sakar Karkhana we have. From Karnataka, Nirani Sugars, we are providing the consultancy work. Also in Mohan Rao Sugars, Godrej Agrovet, JN Sugars from Udol, so as well as Renuka Sugars at Kolvi from Karnataka. This is the list of near about 19 sugar factories we are connected for consultancy work. And from last 2 years, we have generated 23 lakh, approximately 23 lakh rupees revenue for our department. And these are the some glimpses of my consultancy work. We provide this consultancy work with my team. In first photo, we have completed boiler inspection, and this photo, the boiler inspector is a joint director of Kolhapur and Sangli district. In presence of him, we have completed the successfully completed boiler inspection work. And I am doing this consultancy work with my colleagues, Dr. Prasad Shinde sir, Dr. Pankaj Gavi sir, Sachin Shinde sir. We are working in a team for these sugar industries. These are the some glimpses of consultancy work. Now, we have last 2 years, we are trying to get the trying to make a proper consultancy work. So I have appeal to all alumni, if we can do the collaborative work in the consultancy work for NDT, as well as if there any research areas required, then also we can provide the we can do the collaborative work. So if there is an opportunity to do we require any testing facility from our department, we can surely provide there. Thank you, sir. Now I will hand over the session to Dr. Shailesh, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Sachin Koch sir, where he will tell us about, what we are expecting, for upcoming future, the support from you. Sachin sir.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to present on this platform of RAAH. Being a new department, as we have already seen the growth that we have done over the period of 4 years. We are leading at various fronts, but still we need a support from RAAH and alumni for growing in various fronts. We'd like to have mentorship programs with alumni, wherein our alumni can mentor our students. Then somewhere we can have some collaborative projects, as already stated by Ganachari sir, that we can have the collaborative consultancies and research projects that can be carried out. Then we can have some partnerships and collaborations for student internships, faculty, laboratory development, curriculum development, and we can do collaborative research and development work. So we are visioning at being RIT should be known for mechatronics department. That is our vision, and in upcoming future we are thinking about starting the MTech program as well. So if we can, if you can support through RAAH, or alumni can support us, then definitely we can achieve that goals. So I would like to appeal on this platform to RAAH members as well as all alumni over here. We'll have the open forum here discussion onwards, and we can have the discussion then how RAAH can support us. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now I request M. Mullah sir to just give brief about his project. Mullah sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir. Please.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity on this RAAH platform, and I am thankful to all the respected alumni and RAAH members here. So already Dr. Shirguppikar sir has given the profile of the department, and I think at this moment I must thank Dr. Shirguppikar sir for leading the department, initially with 7 faculties and later on few more faculties. And the direction and coordinated efforts of all the team members has given us the fruit in this particular year, and the results are in front of you. So definitely many hurdles are there, still many challenges are there, but we are facing all this thing and going ahead and thinking positively in this direction, how this department can be grown in a positive direction. And we are going for some few more goals. Out of that, first and foremost is center of excellence. So so for that, we are going for different companies, approaching various organizations, and we are trying to get more and more industry connect, so that can say real-time experience for the students may be given in the laboratories also. So that is our focus, and we are trying for reaching the different companies, MNCs, and connecting them for and support their connect industry connect for getting the laboratory supported by industry. So that is our focus, and we are trying in that direction. So we are approaching many companies. Just now, recently we approached to Innovista, and the company is ready for supporting the laboratories for industry connect. At the same time, we visited and contacted IFM also, and we have sent the proposal for sensors and different packages, and they are also ready to support and give us the different types of sensors to the laboratory. So this will definitely increase the connect and experience to the students and faculties also. So we are working in that direction. I am very happy to share that department has received, you can say, you can say RGSTC proposal. So the name of the project is Automatic Well Grinding Robot for Piping Application, and this project is collaborated with Kirloskar Korokat, and I'm very happy to share that. So this project has got very wide application in piping industries, so used in the petrochemical and gas lines. So definitely, so if you complete this project, so many other financial fundings will be possible for us, and we are working in that direction. So this way, I can say that department has completely fulfilled in all directions. So right from can say training opportunities, internship, so laboratories, and then fundings, patents, paper publications, and this is possible because of the teamwork and coordinated and guided efforts of all the faculties, and of course support of management is also there. At this moment, I appeal to all uh, alumni members and RAAH members, so to just guide us in this direction, so that good companies, MNCs, can be connected to support our laboratories, maybe through CSR fundings and this thing, so that the center of excellence can be formed and more industry connect can be given to this, so that uh, academic and industry will go hand in hand, and definitely that will create a good atmosphere for the learning for the students and faculties. So we are trying in that direction. Hopefully, we'll get the support from all RAAH and alumni members who are having the networks and connection to international and other forums, so that we can connect to the many industries. One more thing I just want to share at this moment. Recently, we received the permission to conduct the can say training program by SMC Corporation, which is pioneer in the field of Industry 4.0 technology company. And our department, our college is only can say fourth college in Pan India. So to get selected by the Japanese firm SMC Corporation, and they are giving the training to students in the next month. And out of that, they are selecting 20 to 30 students. So they will get training by the SMC Corporation and certificate by the SMC Corporation. So definitely this will enhance the skill level and the level of the students learning, and that will increase their profile, and that will help to get the good can say opportunities in their future.
Mullah sir, sorry, I could not. Sorry to disturb you in between. I could
Yes,
not.
yes, bullet.
This SMC Corporation is from where?
It is from Noida. It's a center office is in Noida and Bombay.
Are they from Korea?
No,
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 sir, it is
Japanese, Japanese, Japanese
Japanese
company.
company, sir.
Japanese. Okay.
Yeah, yes. So this is what I wanted to share. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So we I mean, yes, of course, we come to the end of the presentation, where we just take you to the brief introduction, few experiences. Of course, the expectation as a new department, we are having expectation from, of course, from you all esteemed, well-known RAAH members, our RIT alumni members. So I extend sincere thanks to task force, of course, Mirza sir and Zadav sir, Kali sir, for providing us this opportunity to present the journey of the department in front of you all. And we also extend, I also extend, of course, sincere thanks to you. Of course, we know that you will help us in near future for on various grounds, either for internships, for say projects, for placements, or some lab developments. So okay, over from my side. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. And I should thank Dr. Ganachari, Professor Sachin Koth, as well as Professor Mullah, sir. And I should mention that as a recently graduated student, I have seen the struggle of all these people, genuine struggle to do well by their students. And it's my appeal to all the alumni to provide all the support from your side needed. We have shared a list of contact numbers, names, and email IDs of the professors in the chat, but we will also share the presentation for particular consultancy details if you want to reach out to them. Being said that, if there are any issues, you can always reach out to any task force member. We have our very own Mirza sir, who is a very strong bridge between RIT alumni and RIT Institute. I also want to congratulate Rushikesh and Shifa. They have a very impressive journey, and as a student from West Maharashtra, I'm glad to see taking over all over the globe. And we are opening the session now for the question and answers. If you have any questions, you can put that into chat or raise your hand and unmute your mic. Thank you.
Thank you, Manali.
Yes, sir. Please ask your question.
So I think first of all, I can share this on this platform. This was one of the really best presentation from RIT side, and we congratulate entire team of Mechatronics. Really impressed with the work which you had done till now. I personally visited the lab, and I want one assurance from you, intern, of this particular presentation. Please connect all 56 members with RAAH.
Sure.
On our LinkedIn page, as well as on our what you can say WhatsApp groups. Number one.
Sure.
Personally, I have given a couple of suggestions for NDT. We can discuss the great person about that. Our RAAH director Ramesh is there, and he has a terrific experience with Kalesh Nerurkar. I recently spoke to him because last session helped him to send some samples. Kaleshji, if he's there, to abroad for NDT testing. He's also doing a good work on NDT testing materials. So he knows that market very well. So we can form a task force or a small sort of group, WhatsApp group, where we all will be there from RAAH side. We'll request those alumni to be part of that particular group. And from your side, Dr. Dhanesh or whoever is there, I think let's create task force like this, so that it will really help you.
Sure.
Apart from that, I had talked with Sachin Koth sir, wherein we are talking about specifically having a 1 day or half day conference at RIT. Recently, I had attended one conference at JW Marriott, where on our appeal, our alumni were also there, and a couple of alumni are part of Schneider Electric, so you know that. And fantastic sort of conference on this particular subject, Industry 4 and 5. So we have a couple of speakers like Sujata Vishnu Raj. She is editor of ITP Media, Manufacturing Today. She can help us. And then MD of Noor Bremse, Mr. Kaushalya Gaukar, and from Schneider Electric, Mr. Manish Gokhale. So I think what Mr. Court told me that he will love to invite them to the college. Let's see how it works out.
Yes,
But definitely on this particular subject, we can do 3 hours conference with the help of RAAH. We can sit in collaboration with RAAH. So once again, great teamwork. Congratulations. Let's take questions from others. Yes, Manali, you raised the hand.
Thank you, sir.
Are there any more questions?
Request, yes, Ramesh, please.
Yeah, Ramesh sir.
जे आपण इंग्लिश मधनं सांगितलं ते मी मराठीत बोलतो. RIT साइडनं मला मते पहिल्यांदा इतकं उत्कृष्ट पद्धतशीर आणि सर्व बाजू समाविष्ट अशा पद्धतीचं प्रेझेंटेशन झालं. शिरगुप्पीकर सर, तुमचं धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू सर.
आम्हाला जे एक्सपेक्टेड आहे बेसिकली इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ऑल इन्क्लुडिंग प्रोफेसर्स, इन्क्लुडिंग स्टुडंट्स, इन्क्लुडिंग अल्युमिनी, त्याचं कुठेतरी गाठ बांधली जाते मेकॅट्रॉनिक्स मध्ये. आणि मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सचा ते जो काही सक्सेस आहे तो दिसतो आहे आणि त्याबद्दल सर्वांचा आभार. दुसरी गोष्ट अशी आहे की जसं आपण सजेस्ट केलंय त्यामध्ये आता NDT वगैरे काय आम्हाला नवीन नाही, किंवा डॉक्टर गणाचारी अगदी RITच्या अगोदर पासून माझ्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहेत.
ग्रेट.
ठीक आहे. हो. आणि आता जे काही तुमचं लिमिटेशन आहे, आता फक्त साखर कारखाने हेच चाललंय. NDT म्हणजे जिथंही मेकॅनिकल किंवा कुठल्याही पद्धतीचे कॉम्पोनंट येतात तिथे NDT येते. जिथं स्ट्रक्चर येतं, जिथं मेटॅलिक, आणि आता तर प्लास्टिक, फायबर, या सगळ्या ह्याच्यावर NDT हा प्रकार चाललेलाच आहे आणि तो फार मजबूतीने चालतो. त्यामुळे NDTला आपण बऱ्याच क्षेत्रात घेऊन जाऊ शकतो. आणि सुदैवाने आपलेच एक अल्युमिनी आहेत, कालुष नेरुरकर, ते स्वतः मॅन्युफॅक्चरर आहेत NDT कॉम्पोनंटचे, मटेरियलचे. त्यांच्याशी जसं आपण सांगितलं त्या पद्धतीने एक वेगळा टास्क फोर्स ग्रुप तयार करू, व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप तयार करू. आणि शिरगुप्पीकर सर, त्याचं लिडिंग तुम्ही किंवा तुमचा कोण प्रॉपर रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह असेल, गणाचारी असतील किंवा वॉट एव्हर काय, तिथं तुम्ही स्ट्रॉंगली जर उभा राहिला तर तो सेपरेट फॉर्म, तो जो तुमचा प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे तो आपण चांगल्या पद्धतीने वापरूया. कारण इंडस्ट्री झोन मोठा आहे, आपल्या आजूबाजूला जरी थोडं वळून बघितलं तरी भरपूर आहे.
हो सर.
आणि NDT मध्ये फक्त डाय पेनिट्रेशन आणि UT मध्येच न राहता त्याच्यामध्ये बऱ्याच ऍडव्हान्समेंट झालेले आहेत आता. आणि त्या ऍडव्हान्समेंटची सुद्धा सुविधा कशी आपल्याकडे उपलब्ध करून घेता येईल आणि त्याचा ऑटोमेशन करून त्याचा वापर कसा घेता येईल. जसं आता अमित बोल्ला सरांनी एक सांगितलं की हे जे फंड मोठा काहीतरी आहे त्याच्यासाठी ऑटोमॅटिक वेल्ड ग्राइंडिंग रोबोट, अँड दॅट इज इन पाईप ऍप्लिकेशन. हा, आता त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे की आता ह्याच्यामध्ये आता माझी जवळजवळ 28 वर्षे गेली या क्षेत्रामध्ये, पायपिंग, पाईपलाईन आणि क्रिटिकल, अगदी अंडरग्राऊंड, अंडर वॉटर. त्यामुळे मला त्या प्रोजेक्टचं ऐकून घ्यायला आवडेल किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये माझे इन्साइट मी देऊ शकेल जर मला त्या पद्धतीने कळालं.
प्रोजेक्टच प्रेझेंटेशन प्लॅटफॉर्मवर होऊ दे ना रमेश.
हा, मग ते तर चांगलंच होईल. म्हणजे जर डिटेल्ड टेक्निकल जर प्रेझेंटेशन केलं काय आणि तिथं थोडं अपील केलं की आपल्या क्षेत्रातले वेल्डिंग एक्सपर्ट्स असतील, ग्राइंडिंग एक्सपर्ट्स असतील किंवा तत्सम जे आधी हे असतील, वरिष्ठ असतील, त्यांनाही आपण इन्व्हाइट करू शकतो ना. म्हणजे काय होईल की ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवर जसं आपण सजेस्ट केलं तशा पद्धतीनं बरेच सजेशन तिथले तिथंच येतील. आणि आम्ही तर आहोतच, आम्ही ज्या ज्या वेळेला अवेलेबल राहू काय किंवा त्या ह्याच्यामध्ये निगडीत आपण करू तर करू. 100% इन्व्हॉल्व करा, तुम्ही इन्व्हॉल्व करा सर, आमची तयारी आहे. कळत नाही. फक्त काय होतंय की थोडेसे वेळेची चणचण अडचण, म्हणजे बऱ्याच वेळेला कधी फिजिकली येता येणार नाही. बरं, आलो तर आम्ही भेटतो नक्की, तुम्ही भेटताय. आलो आता बघितलं तर परवा दिवशी आपण भेटलो, बऱ्यापैकी चांगला साऊंड चर्चा झाल्या, बरेच वादे विवादे सगळंच झालंय. आता आपण
रमेश अजून 2-3 जणांनी हात हे केलाय.
हो 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 म्हणूनच सांगतो आता पुढे जे आहे ते आपण पुढे त्याला घेऊया. हे 2 विषय कन्सल्टन्सी मध्ये पण बरेच पार्ट तुम्ही सांगितलेत आपण त्याला आणि कसं स्वरूप देता येईल बघूया. अगोदर टास्क फोर्स तयार करू, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज घेऊ आणि पुढे जाऊ, मग आपल्याला करता येईल. हेच मला सांगायचं आहे. पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांचं अभिनंदन. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू
थँक्यू सर.
Thank you.
बघते मॅम.
तिघांना घे.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay. I just want to know that if in this RAAH, every time I listen about sugar factories and all those mechanical related domain related stuff. So as a electronics and embedded VLSI person, may I get exposure related to consultancy work, related to lab work, or many students are interested in my domain, but I get always bored because I'm not getting that kind of exposure here. But I want to work more. So, what kind of what kind of exposure could be given in future related to the person like me with electronics and embedded system expertise, and the students who are interested in my domain and want to work like me. So, will the student be provided with some kind of consultancy work in this domain, or otherwise I have to search that kind of work? I want to know all these things.
Shailesh sir, do you want to take that?
No, actually, ma'am is a part of our department, and she is asking about. She is interested to work in various consultancy services for embedded and VLSI domain, but she is not able to get such kind of projects. So, if alumni can help us to get such kind of project, she would like to help.
Sure, sir. I think our platform is basically for that purpose. Please demand from us. Please ask for help. You use that word twice. We really liked it. Say, please post on our WhatsApp group. Please post on our LinkedIn page. I'm sure one or other guy will definitely respond to you. I think could not hear Santoshi ma'am very clearly, but what you told, we can have this particular thing. She can write a note on this and share on our group, or share with Mirza sir. He will share on all the groups and you will get the response. Because recently we have held someone from the local community also. See, consultancy, you need to really create the credentials. And first, you need to have full confidence that whatever you accept will get, delivered. So we would like to check your competency in that matter, and then we will take it forward. But please write a note, share with us. See, we want to become Google of RIT students. Come for any help. If possible, we'll get it from our own alumni network, or we will bring any expert with our connections. But only request is that the entire transaction has to be professional. I think once they come to you, you should not go back to them after 10 days or 15 days or 20 days. I'm sorry, I'm very candid and very transparent, because then our sort of credibility gets into question. So let's ask ma'am to do that.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you, both of you. We are just 2 minutes to the hour, but we have one more question. So
Manali,
with everyone's permission,
Manali, with permission,
we are extending.
We can extend the session for 10 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dr. S.K. Patil, sir.
He was there.
Sawant, sir.
Yeah. Manali, just 1 minute. I have forgotten to unmute.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ramesh Dada sir, Dava sir, thank you so much for your guidance regarding NDT consultancy, because it is strength of our mechatronics department. At the same time, my request is that we are new to the mechatronics department, and our team has tried a lot to develop good curriculum, and now they are in a position to upgrade the curriculum. So we need your help regarding upgrading the curriculum as per the industry need. So our Shailesh sir will send some syllabus, and we want your help with respect to those curriculum and syllabus, especially mechatronics.
Doctor, definitely, and we will bring experts from industry also. I have in mind couple of visits for mechatronics. There's a company called Demo. They have a fantastic manufacturing unit and display at Navi Mumbai. So I invite entire team of mechatronics, first professors to visit that. I'll put across to the technical expert there, and we will get people like this to make this syllabus as you wished, sort of the latest one, because this sector is evolving like anything. But then if you give basics to the students, I think it will really help. I think point well taken, Doctor.
Yeah, and Dr. Sachin, yeah,
Yes, sir.
fortunately, I am again a syllabus committee member of Mumbai University
Mechanical.
as well.
Oh, sir.
For UG syllabus of one of the institution in Navi Mumbai. So that is one of the helpful, and their mechatronics is also there. Okay, and I am in touch with good experts and people other than industry. So definitely it will going to help us. Already I am BOS member of RIT, and I am there also. So it is good for me to have a comparison and get good kind of the outcome, and we can implement it at our RIT also.
In fact, Ramesh, if you remember, I had told you and Sachin to talk about our connection with Arsenal Mittal. So, Shailesh, Shirguppikar sir, and entire mechanical team, you are again invited for visit to Ahmedabad. They have campus in IIT Ahmedabad from Arsenal Mittal, wherein they are working on Industry 4 and Industry 5 from ITI to IIT. And they have some of the fantastic programs. I have meeting with their director next week. I'm going personally for some work. But the head of trainings and all, she works with me in GSS, Global Association for Corporate Services, which Samir, the head of GSS, is our advisor here on RAAH.
Yeah.
So that is another thing which we can do for mechatronics.
Yes, sir, definitely. As rightly said by
what I suggest, sir, if someone from your end or you personally take minutes of meeting for this,
yes, sir,
we will actionable.
Abasai, one more point I want to add here. Now we have started to take minutes of meeting as well as few actionable points. They are already last meetings minutes as well as actionable point circulated to all the faculty of the institute, and we have given the numbers also, emails also of the alumni last time Jadhav sir, and we asked our faculties if anybody need help in his expertise, they can directly approach to them also. So that practice we have already started.
Excellent. Now, as far as this call, because we will talk and we'll go. This is what happens with alumni. When we come to college, we are very excited, sir. हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. एक साल के बाद नहीं आते. And to continue those efforts, we created this platform. So, sir, actionable. आप जरूर नाम लिख दीजिए. माझं नाव लिहा, रमेशचं लिहा, जे आहे ते, आणि we will work on it very closely.
पाटील सर ते ऍक्शनेबल आणि ते आमच्या पण ह्याच्यावर टाकत चला. ओके, म्हणजे आम्हालाही ते अवेअरनेस येईल की नक्की कुणी कुणाचा कॉन्टॅक्ट दिलाय, काय दिलाय, कारण आपल्याला ते माहित पाहिजे. वी विल बी ऑल्सो प्रिपेअर्ड.
येस, नक्की. येस,
So we have shared our email ID, raha@ritindia.edu.
Yes, I will keep you RAAH in CC. The same communication with all faculty.
Shirguppikar sir, एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे. आम्ही लिंक्डइन पेजवर मी सारखा रिइन्फोर्स का करतोय की वी शेअर अ लॉट देअर, बिकॉज लिंक्डइनवर प्रचंड अवेलेबल आहे, आणि त्यासाठी त्या पेजवर तुम्ही जर गेला तर तुम्हाला आय थिंक आउट ऑफ 10 पोस्ट तुमच्यासाठी 5 पोस्ट असतील. आता ते स्पेस डेब्रिजची जी पोस्ट आहे त्याच्यावर नासाचा आता एक लेटेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट चालू आहे, अँड आय नो अ कपल ऑफ गाईज हिअर इन पुणे हू आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. सो दोज थिंग्स कॅन बी, आय थिंक यू कॅन फॉलो देअर. ओके, so great.
Yes, sir.
Sawan sir.
Sorry.
Sawan sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
पहिल्यांदाच रमेश आणि आबाचं अभिनंदन. They are regularly continuous with on this, and Manali is also taking part in this.
सर सगळे टास्क
पहिल्यांदा
फोर्स आहे सर.
शैलेश
तुम्ही पण टास्क फोर्स मध्ये आहे.
आहे शैलेशचं प्रेझेंटेशन आणि हे एकदम परफेक्ट आहे. फक्त एक ऍडिशन करावं लागतं वाटते मला, की अल्युमिनी कडून जी मदत मिळालेली आहे, लाईक दॅट फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट द प्रॅक्टिकल वर्क that is developed in the mechatronics lab, that is from the alumni, like JVSSS Prasad's donation given by him, and that setup is developed by the faculty of RIT. It is not purchased from the outside as per the requirement of that particular lab. So they are developed it, and it is an excellent setup developed by we should inform this type of the information, what is the development in collaboration with the alumni, that should be known to highlighted to everywhere. Whenever it is possible for us to highlight it, we can highlight it. So that help us to develop the other thing. And one thing, I think this is the first batch of the mechatronics, and what the information that it is 100% placement. That is the congratulations to all the faculty members, training placement, all deans and HODs. Due to that it is possible. त्यांनी जे कष्ट घेतलेलं आहे पहिल्या बॅच साठी खरोखर आहे, कारण त्या 4 वर्ष मी कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये होतो, पण माझे काही ऍडमिशन्सच्या ह्याच्यात माझा कॉन्टॅक्ट होता, आणि रिअली इट इज अ ग्रेट थिंग दॅट प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द complete batch of the mechatronics is there, and some of the students
डिपार्टमेंटचा पहिला स्टुडंट सरांनीच दिलाय. सावंत सरांनीच पहिला स्टुडंट दिला.
सावंतपूर वरनं दिला का काय?
होय सर, सावंतपूरच
बघा त्याच्या मायला. मग ते पहिलं सावंतपूर झाला पाहिजे उत्तर, पुढच्या वेळेला काळजी घ्या.
आणि हायेस्ट पॅकेज सर, हायेस्ट पॅकेज पण त्याच स्टुडंट्स आहे.
मग तिच्या मारी कसं काय हो, शिरगुप्पीकर सर मला पेनल्टी लागलं बरं, कसा मोठी होतो.
सावंत सरांचं प्रेशर होतं.
रमेश 2 मिनिटं. रमेश तुमचं झालं असेल सावंत सर, तर मला एक महत्वाची सजेशन होती, विच इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर एंटायर मेकॅट्रॉनिक्स डिपार्टमेंट.
आणि नाही, मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सला नुसतं मेकॅट्रॉनिक्स म्हणू नका, त्यांना सर्वांनी मदत केलेली आहे. जे मेकॅनिकल आहेत
हे सगळं टीमवर्क असतं, त्याच्याशिवाय ते शक्य नसतं.
ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स अँड ऑल द बेस्ट.
थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू. सो सावंत सर, सॉरी शिरगुप्पीकर सर आणि होत आहेत, बाकी सगळे आहेत. सचिन तुम्ही पण आहात इथं. माझं एक ऑब्झर्वेशन होतं, मी मागच्या पण आल्यानंतर बोललो, तुमची लॅब अतिशय डस्ट सेन्सिटिव्ह आहे आणि तुम्ही ती डस्ट प्रूफ केलेली नाही. सो तुम्ही एवढी जी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केलेली आहे तिथं, इट can go for a toss. So please get it dust proof, air conditioned as early as possible. ह्याच्यात तुम्हाला लक्ष घालावंच लागेल, नाहीतर एक पार्ट सर्व्हिसिंगचा तुम्हाला एक्सपेन्सिव्ह आहे. आय होप शिरगुप्पीकर सर यू अग्री विथ मी.
येस सर,
आणि आय डोंट नो, म्हणजे मी 6 महिन्यापूर्वी आलो असेल, मागच्या मिटिंगला ज्यावेळी मी आलो होतो ऍडव्हायझरी काउन्सिलच्या, त्यावेळी मी व्हिजिट केलं. पण आता किती त्यात हे झाले. पण टू बी व्हेरी फ्रँक, प्लीज टेक केअर ऑफ इट, कारण तुम्हाला मोठा फटका पडू शकतो इक्विपमेंटचा. प्लीज टेक केअर. म्हणाली, कॅन वी क्लोज द मीटिंग नाउ? रमेश, यू वॉन्टेड टू से समथिंग?
नाही, काय मला फक्त म्हणायचं होतं की मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सचे हे जे 100%ची जी प्लेसमेंट आहे की नाही, अशीच परंपरा अखंडित ठेवावी लागेल, कारण पुढचे सगळे दिवस मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सचेच आहे. ते फक्त CSIT हे फारस म्हणजे ते अजागत आहे.
कोलॅबोरेशन जे दिसतंय ते रमेश, इट इज अ कोलॅबोरेशन. कुठली फील्ड हे जाणार नाही, पण ह्यांना जास्त डिमांड असेल. रिझन बिंग दे विल बी लाईक मोर इन डिमांड. दे कॅन वर्क इन ऑल द सेक्टर्स, दे कॅन सॉर्ट ऑफ ब्रिज ऑल द सेक्टर्स. त्यांना हे असणार आहे. सो म्हणाली, वी कॅन क्लोज द कॉल.
Thank you very much, everyone. If you have any more questions, please reach out to our LinkedIn page, our email ID,